For many people, European cars are more than just a way of getting around. They are often part of who they are and how they want to show up in life. If you own a luxurious car and you want to keep your car at the best condition possible, perform regular maintenance and repairs according to the manufacturer protocols and guidelines. Neglecting periodic service and repair schedules could result in vehicle failures and expensive repair costs. However, following quality control guidelines from the manufacturer ensures your car keeps in optimal condition. At Deutsches Auto Service Center, we value the importance on keeping your investment in the best conditions. We offer exceptional level of service and maintenance on all luxury European models, such as Mercedes Benz, Ferrari, Lamborghini, Maserati, Range Rover, BMW, Porsche, Rolls-Royce, Bentley, Mini Cooper, Audi and VAG-Group. Maintain your vehicle based on the manufacturer's service and repair protocols at Deutsches Auto Service Center and enjoy a trouble-free motoring experience. Our excellent service packages are considered the most competitive and cost-effective alternative to mainstream dealers and agencies. We use only original equipment manufacturer standard parts, and our center has access to all latest software and hardware updates direct from manufacturers in Germany, Italy and England, allowing us to offer complete technical support on almost all vehicle systems. To learn more about our solutions or to book an appointment, click the button below. For more information about our European car services, check out our website.